So last week I grabbed a couple of nail stamping plates from Amazon. I thought they were a pretty good deal. They were two of these larger size stamping pads, pretty cute, for 2 for $10. If you scroll down, see, but I thought I'd share in case something you want to take advantage of. I don't know if that's available for everybody. I ended up with Space Oddity and Back to Basics. I was looking for some kind of background pattern. I was torn between the space themed one and Boho Spirit, but I'm really conscientious of anything tribal just due to appropriation issues, so I got the aliens. So I was surprised because the packaging is very minimal. I was concerned that the packaging hadn't protected the plates. Then I got to looking at the plates. They're plastic. I've never seen plastic plates before. So now I'm concerned that these tiny details, especially in the Space Oddity plate, aren't even going to show up. But actually, as we'll see here, when I go in with this sheer gel polish, that it does show up just fine. Just not on my nail because gel polish is sheer. Wah, wah. So the following is just a little experimentation. But I show you this because you can see if you've got all of your color and the details of your plate, because these are plastic again, not metal like I'm used to. So that's pretty nifty. It's very novel. I've spared you like 2 other experiments, but here I'm going in with a fail-safe clapping gel, and it came out great. I just clean up the edges with a little bit of alcohol and a lint-free pad and roll it right on. And you see, lovely. The main issue is that that particular stamper has a crack in it. And then I just add the pigment on top. So just for a little fun. And I love how it came out, but I was doing it with my left hand. So let's see what it looks like when I'm working with my right hand. The other consideration being, of course, that dots are pretty simple to stamp or dot with the dotting tool. So are these plates still good with some of these fun designs that I specifically picked up the Space Oddity plate for? So I'm just laying down some polish here, gonna create a cat eye. I go in with 2 layers and just make some real magic happen. Because this is kind of one of the reasons why I want some of these plates for kind of background designs. So when I say background designs, what it is, I've noticed that stamping plate details designs seem to come in 2 main categories. I think I've kind of got a 3rd one, but I can't recall it at the moment. So you've got backgrounds, and then you've got like isolated designs, like on the bottom half of the plate. I really love the effect of a background repeating pattern over a cat eye or magnetic polish. I just think it's mwah, chef's kiss, like so cute and playful. So using that thick clapping gel again, I made sure to use the rubber spatula and just to get that thick gel into every detail. So stamping has 3 main components. You're gonna get your polish on there, you're gonna scrape, and then roll the stamper over the design to pick up the polish, roll it over the nail to put the design back down. You can see we have really clean, clear, crisp results, right? I'm going to go in with that lint-free wipe, a little bit of alcohol to clean up the edges, which probably strictly isn't necessary because this is a whole nail design, but I don't know, I guess it's part of my routine. And then you'll see that there's a little bit of that black color holdover, and that's going to be fine with this particular concept because it is 2 layers of cap magnet polish over black. It's not going to mess with me, but if I was to do it over something lighter, like I'd want to take that into account. Centering the design, and then rolling, and then we're going to roll it on. Boom. Also, yes, if you're paying attention, I did some more experimentation on my own nails. So we got a little bit of a gap here at the bottom of the nail, and that's fine because I've still got enough on my stamper that I'm just gonna roll 3, 2, 1, and right at the bottom, and it's complete. So that's the great thing about working with that thick clapping gel is you can get, another stamp or 2 out of it without having to reapply polish to the plate and then rolling the stamp again. So we just finished that off with top coat and we're done. I love it. I say if you're interested, look them up on Amazon and purchase them. Okay, love you, bye!